Avon Vista, an alluring project of 2 and 3 BHK riverfront abodes. Located between Balewadi Sports Stadium and Hinjewadi flyover, along the banks of the serene Mula River, Avon Vista rests in the heart of Pune West. Nothing seems too far when you reside at Avon Vista. Enter Avon Vista from a security-controlled single-access point. Supervised dedicated pickup and drop points for your children. Futuristic parking requirements along with dedicated visitors parking spaces. 77% open green spaces. Avon Vista is sensibly crafted to give you the best of riverfront living. In the midst of this scenic beauty, Avon Vista stands tall on the grounds of architectural splendor and nature-inspired design. Vertical gardens that help in keeping your house cool and fresh. Vehicle-free podium that connects to all 6 stars with immaculately manicured landscape gardens. Enter your truly impressionable abode, where the aesthetics inside are as inviting as the exquisite outside. No wasted corners, no unwanted walls. Every home here is meticulously planned to give you maximum usable space and optimum light and ventilation. From flooring to fittings, from bedrooms to terrace, there is thought behind every design and sensibility behind every luxury feature. Here, beauty lies in every detail. Yes, a home designed by architects and engineers as developers. But what will truly sweep you off your feet is your connect with nature from your dream home itself. Life at Avon Vista will be as serene and beautiful as you had only dreamt of. When it comes to your toddler, we have a host of child-focused amenities assuring you of no tension while at work. Stamina, speed, strength, skill, and spirit are reincarnated with sports. Avon Vista offers an array of recreational and leisure amenities for every age group. Your 2-level clubhouse offers some of the best-in-class amenities with a panoramic view of the river. Awaken in tranquility with zeal, or spend a rejuvenating evening with your near and dear. Avon Vista. Stay sensible, live beautiful. A proud presentation of Naiknavare Profile Developers. 3 decades of legacy in real estate.